Welcome to SLiMS video tutorial. This video will show you how to install portable SLiMS, the latest one. Before we begin, make sure you have downloaded the software according to your operating system. Is it 64 or 32 bits? Already download the files. The size will be 188, around 190 megabytes. This is the latest one, November 13. Let's extract it once you have downloaded. I'm using 7-zip. Okay, let's select what drive are you going to use. I'm using the F drive. And then click OK. Wait for a while. And now you will have the F drive. Consists of portable SLiMS. The directory will be default SLiMS this one, but you can also move around. For example, I'm gonna rename this directory into something else. Library. And then move it to the root. Okay, can remove it. Now, how to start? You have to turn on the web server and the database server. Double click. When you first install the SLiMS, it will ask request to allow bypass the Windows firewall. Make sure you click this if you want to connect other computer in the same network. But if you want to allow people from other networks, then you have to click this too and allow access. Okay, this is the sign that and the address for the server, the web server, localhost, using port 80 and 89. This is the server, web server, and this is the database server. Again, if you want to use only for the local network, then you should tick this box. But if you want to allow other networks to join to access your SLiMS, then the public network should be ticked. Click the allow access. Now get back to the web browser, localhost, remember 8089 port. Then you have the Senayan library on your computer. Thank you.